Hello everyone, welcome to another video of GravyMatter. In this video we will show you how to make fish curry using fish curry gravy of GravyMatter. So here we have a 250 gram pouch of GravyMatter fish curry gravy, and here we have some raw fish. So before we begin, I want to give some introduction. This is a Bengali style fish curry gravy. So it contains mustard oil and it contains some specific spices that are used only in West Bengal. In other parts of India, the fish curry making is a little bit different. In West Bengal, the process is first fry the fish and then use the gravy to make the fish curry gravy. If you read the instruction on the packet, it says the same. First, you'll have to fry the fish in mustard oil, and then you will have to use the GravyMatter fish curry gravy to make the curry. But also it is possible to use the raw fish directly in the fish curry gravy. But if you want the authentic taste, then you have to fry the fish. And remember, before frying the fish, we have to mix a little bit of turmeric and salt with the fish. So here I will demonstrate both. Here we have some raw fishes in two containers. One we will use to add directly in the gravy, and one we will fry first and then we will use the gravy. So here I have taken a little bit of salt and turmeric. You can adjust according to your quantity of fish. I have taken only half tablespoon of salt and turmeric for my 5 pieces of fish. So I will now add this salt and turmeric in one container, and it has to be mixed well. It's better if you can keep the mixture for marination for some time, but if you're in a hurry, you can do it quickly, no problem. You can use any fish. The process does not vary according to the fish. The process is same for all the fishes. The mixing is complete. Now you have kept it for like 10 minutes. I think that's enough. Now we will fry this fish in mustard oil. If you don't like the smell of mustard oil, you can use any other oil, but for the authentic Bengali taste, you need mustard oil only. So I'll just add mustard oil in a frying pan. And we'll keep the oven in high flame. And remember, when frying fish in mustard oil, when frying anything in mustard oil, you need to wait first to heat up the oil, because otherwise there will be raw oil smell. That is a problem with mustard oil. Okay, the oil is hot enough. You can see the smoke. And if you're not sure whether the oil is ready, you can partially dip a matchstick to check whether bubbles are coming. That is how you can check. So we will now add the pieces of fish into the oil one by one. Careful about the oil splash because the oil is very hot. While adding fish, keep the gas on low flame and immediately cover in order to avoid any oil splash, and then you can turn up the heat. Now wait for 2-3 minutes in order to fry the one side of the fish properly. After that, first reduce the heat and then open the lid. When one side is fried properly, just change the side and fry the opposite side. Remember, you don't have to change the side multiple times. Just fry one side properly and then fry the opposite side. You can see the color has changed from one side, and we need the same color on the opposite side also. It will take less time. The first fry requires like 2-3 minutes of frying. The second side, the opposite side, will take less time because the fish is already boiled from inside. So we will just wait 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, and then we will turn off the stove. Okay, the fish is now fried properly. We will turn off the gas. We'll wait just a bit for it to simmer down. Once it's simmered down, we will remove the lid and we will slowly take pieces one by one into another plate. You can see the fish is fried properly, nice and tasty. Okay, now our fried fish is ready and we have removed the excess oil from the pan. Now we will start making the gravy using GravyMatter Fish Curry gravy. We have turned on the stove and now we will take this 250-gram GravyMatter Fish Curry gravy pouch. We don't need 250 grams for this amount of fish. We will just add half. The process henceforth is very easy. We just need to add the GravyMatter, add water, and then put the fish and boil a little bit. The pan is still hot, so we'll spread it evenly. Now we will add some water. And we will mix the GravyMatter properly with water. The gas is on the high flame. We will just turn on the chimney. Okay, let it heat up a little bit. Only a little bit, like half a minute or so. Okay, it's now heated up. Now we have two kinds of fish here, fried fishes and the raw fishes. We will add both into the gravy. fried fishes are added. Now we will add the raw fishes. Now mix well. The water should cover the fish pieces because the fish will soak the flavor of the gravy and will become tasteful. The raw fishes will take a little bit more time to boil, and the fried fishes are already boiled. So if we add only fried pieces, there is not much need to mix and it will be quicker. But for boiling the raw pieces, we will have to wait for like 5 minutes or so. You can see the raw pieces are boiling, but the fried pieces will have better color and better taste. I cannot show you the taste in this video, but when you try in home, you will definitely see the difference. Now we will cover the lid and let it boil for some time. Okay, now we have boiled for 4 or 5 minutes. It's complete. We will just turn off the gas and we will wait for some time to simmer it down, and after that a nice coloration will come. Right now, if we open the lid, it's still boiling hot, so better taste will come a little bit after, when the gravy is properly soaked into the fish. Okay, we have kept it for 5-6 minutes. Now we will open the lid. Now check out how nice color has come. But you can see the difference between the fishes and non-fried fishes. The non-fried fishes are a little bit pale and fried fishes are a little darker, and they also taste better. So I recommend frying the fish first and then use the gravy paste for authentic Bengali taste. So if you found the video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are watching on the YouTube, don't forget to find the link in the description where you can buy GravyMatter. You can also do this at home using GravyMatter gravy paste. We are available on all leading e-commerce platform. GravyMatter, fish curry gravy, chicken curry gravy, Matar paneer, Shahi paneer, butter chicken, biryani, and many more gravy paste are just a single click away. Thanks for watching.